Good morning, boys and girls. Today we're going to look at our morning work page. We're on Unit 3, Week 5, Day 1. So check and make sure you're on the right page. The directions say edit and write each sentence correctly. Circle the verbs. So here we go. Number 1, the blind mouses frightened me yesterday. So you're going to fix that one up and rewrite it on the lines nice and neat. So pause your video and go ahead and do that. Number 2 says, I could not find them before then. I could not find them before then. Fix that one up and then rewrite it on the line nice and neat. So pause your video and do that. Next part is the daily math review. I don't need to give you any reminders on that part. Number 6 is a story problem. It says 98 ducks were on the pond. Some flew away. Then there were 76 ducks. How many ducks flew away? So here's a number sentence to show that 98 minus some, right? Some flew away and there were 76 left. So how many were left? So we can actually use subtraction to help us figure that out by writing a subtraction problem. Okay, but it's up to you how you want to do it. But the answers are going to be the same on both of these blanks. So pause your video and do number 6. Number 7 says 36 plus 59 equals blank. So the strategy we're using is we're going to make a friendly number. So let's see. So 36 is close to 40, right? If you add 4 more, it would be 40. We can get those 4 from the 59, okay? So we're taking 4 from 59 and we're adding it over here to the 36. Let me show you what they're doing. We're moving it over here to the 36. So now 36 is 40 and 59 is 55 because we took away 4. So these numbers are easier to add because it's part of counting by 5s and 10s. So go ahead and write your answer there. Pause your video and do that one. Number 8, it says start at 382, count back by 10s. Pause your video, do number 8, skip counting. Number 9, write the amount shown in 2 ways. So I'm going to give you a clue. These are quarters. Okay, these are both quarters, so make sure you write the amounts on each one and then write the amount in cent notation and then dollar in cent notation. All right, pause your video and do number 9. All right, back to the top. And let's work these out. So the blind mouses, no, we don't say mouses, right? This noun changes form when there's more than one. It's the blind mice. The blind mice frightened, right? Because it happened yesterday. So F-R-I-G-H-T-E-N-E-D. The blind mice frightened me yesterday, period. Okay, that looks good. So I'm going to rewrite number 1 nice and neat. Alright, we got look at number 1 looking good. We'll go back to circle the verbs. Number 2, I could not find them before then. So I could not find doesn't have an E, so F-I-N-D. I could not find them before is spelled incorrectly. B-E-F-O-R-E. I could not find them before then. Alright, I'm going to rewrite number 2 nice and neat. Alright, I fixed up number 2, so now it's verb time. Remember, a verb shows an action. It tells who or what is doing something, right? So the blind mice, what did the blind mice do? They frightened me. So frightened is my verb. Number 2, I could not find them before then. So what is it I could not do? I could not find. So find is the verb. Alright, down to our daily math review. Let's see, so you should have gotten 8 plus 2 is 10, 9 plus 2 is 11, 6 plus 2 is 8, 10 plus 1 is also 11, and 0 plus 9 is 9. Okay, back to the duck problem. So there were 98 ducks, we took some away, and then there were 76. So I'm going to draw a quick picture to help me with this one. That's my first plan of action. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, and so I'm going to switch colors because what I'm going to do is I'm going to start taking away until I get to 76. Okay, so 98, right? 88, 78, right? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 8. So I need to take away 2 ones. And so now I've got 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 75, 76. Okay, so that's one way. So I took away 10, 20, 21, 22. So I took away 22. That's one way to do it. Another way is I can rewrite this problem, which we're learning to do right now at this very second in math. So I can rewrite it. I'll show you. This is called the subtraction algorithm. So I can start with my ones, just like when you're adding. So I have 8. I always start at the top. Always start at the top with subtraction. So 8 minus 6 equals 2 ones. And then 90 minus 70, right? 9 tens take away 7 tens is going to be 2 tens. And so you get the same answer you get, 22. Okay? All right, number 7. So I already broke this problem down. So now we're to 40 plus 55, right? So 5 ones, 0 ones. So 5 ones. And then 4 tens, 5 tens gives me 9 tens. So 95. Okay? All right, let's scroll down. Start at 382, count back by 10. So we're going back, so every time we're changing this number, right? So 1 less 10 would be 7, then 6, 5, 4, 3. Nothing else is changing, only 10. So I'm going to write all the other numbers back now. 3, 2. 300s, 2 ones. 300s, 2 ones. 300s, 2 ones. That's just one way to do it. There's other ways, but that's an easy way if you don't quite understand how to count back by tens. It's just change only the tens digit, keep everything else the same. Write the amount shown in 2 ways. So I gave you a clue. I said these were quarters. So hopefully you wrote 25 on each of these. And say you don't know how to add your quarters quickly yet. That's okay. You'll get better with practice, right? But you got to practice. So we could rewrite the problem. We could write 25 plus 25. Add these guys together. 5 plus 5 equals a 10, right? We got to regroup it. Write 0 ones. Then we add our tens. We have 5 tens, so 50 cents. And then 50 cents is $0 and 50 cents. That's a 5, not a 6. Okay? All right. Nice job. Get started with your next assignment.